We have our two series. We have our JR series of fountainette units, and we have our BDF series of fountainette units. The difference being that this is more for room temperature. It is across the whole side of the freezer. It gives you a larger syrup rail, shelf surface. The BDF series has an insulated jar rack, which keeps the temperatures a little cooler in the compartment because this is insulated. This cabinet comes with flip lids, conventional flip lids. The JR series has the sliding lids that allow a little more access into the storage compartment. Sliding lids, and they're easily removed for cleaning. And you just put them back in, easy enough. With these flat lids, you have a little work surface. If I access, I have room to set my jars. I can scoop my product. I have a nice flat work surface here. On the flip lids, it doesn't really give you the same work surface you would have on the JR series. Another advantage or difference in the JR and why more people are ordering the JR versus the BDF. One thing about all the freezers we make, you'll notice our corners here are all welded and polished. Unlike some of our competitors, everything is welded and polished. The edges around our stainless top, all four sides, are safety hemmed, no burrs anywhere here. All welded and polished here, no nooks and crannies. We have intake in the bottom of the grill. We have exhaust at the top of the grill. These freezers are made to go up against the wall. You can push them up into a lineup up against the wall. Like all the Nelson freezers, this has a clog-free condenser design. There's no cleaning required, but maybe once a year, every other year. It's a clog-free design similar to your refrigerator at home that you probably cleaned 8 years ago. It's the same concept. One other feature, all Nelson freezers, the lid openings are sealed with a stainless steel welded ring. There's no rubber or plastic gasket here that requires periodic replacement. I forgot to mention too the digital controller. Everything's equipped with a digital control, bright red LEDs, tells you the equipment's on and displays the temperature, and NSF ETL labels. All the equipment Nelson manufactures in our catalog is NSF and ETL, sanitation and electrical safety.